The biggest lie told in South Africa is not one told by politicians. It's told in a WhatsApp group, okay, on a Thursday afternoon. Somebody says, hey boys, who's keen for a braai on Saturday? And you don't say no. South Africans don't do direct rejection. We do diplomatic stalling. You say, let me check with the missus. That's level 1. The missus doesn't know anything about this. You haven't spoken to her. You're using your wife as a human shield because you want to stay home and watch the rugby in sweatpants. Level 2 is the vote commitment. You say, I'll pull in a bit later. Pull in from where? Nobody knows. You're not pulling in anywhere, okay? Only thing you're pulling is the fridge door. That's where you give them the illusion of presence. And then comes the ultimate weapon, okay? The final boss of social evasion. You say, we'll see. We'll see what, my bro? Huh? Nobody's seeing nothing. Everybody knows they won't see you. You know exactly what you are doing. They know what you are doing. But we all just nod and say, yes, sure, brother. Just keep me posted. It's a beautiful cowardly dance. Next time, just be a man, bro. Say, hey, guys, I love you dearly, but I would rather eat glass than leave my house this weekend. Be blessed.